Good morning people, I'm on my way to work. As you notice, there's heaps of stalls by the road. This is actually not a crowded place here. Sometimes you get like these little bread roll places and food places. There's another one just over there. Literally every 5 or 10 meters, it's crazy in some parts of town. So I'm going up to this guy up here and he's cheapest and the best. And saving every penny for the bill, people. Nothing but quality. I'm actually riding on the wrong side of the road because there's actually no sandwich places on the other side. So I'm risking my life for you people! Alright, I'm going on the other side. Okay, I just had to cross back over because this guy's on this side. Although they're a bit sparse here. These people work phenomenal hours. These are open from like 7 to like 9:30 at night. Who buys plants at 9:30 at night? But they work, all of them. Unbelievable. These are my guy. Three. Look at this hair, people. Only a mother could love. So these banh mi's, they've got pork, crispy pork sometimes, ooh baby, turnip I think, coriander, cucumber, and some other stuff. Beautiful. They're less than $1, so I get 3 because that's the only thing that keeps me going for the whole day at the factory. So for about $2.50 I get 3 lunches. That's pretty good. Got my little goodie bag on the back. Hopefully nothing will fall off. That's never happened before, people. Well, once. Alright, time to go. They put everything on bikes here. I've seen a bike with like 6 meters of pipe. So sticking out 2 meters in the front, 4 meters at the back. Crazy. Anyway, I'll talk to you in half an hour. You don't want me to chat on the bike. Here's some more. There's some more lunch places. Anyway, signing off. I'll see you in half an hour. Yep, I've changed. Certain dress code here. Well, not much of a dress code, but you gotta have shirt and long pants. Ho ho! I smell candy, people. This is going to be a real hard shelf plate to fit. I was saying to Adonis before, I was saying, I think the 6 metre pieces are optimistic, and he goes, no. And he points me to a section of the hull, amidships, where he counts out 6 metres, so he goes 1, 2, 3. And when you look along the hull, across that 6 metres, it's not too bad, it's quite straight. So that's what they're trying to capitalise on. And of course, as it starts to get more compounded, the pieces, the shell plate will have to get smaller. But this is, it's almost sort of, it seems really bloody annoying. It seems an amazing amount of bending and patience is involved. And I've seen some other boats, aluminium boats built, and the shell plate's actually cut much, much smaller.
Hi people, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to ring that bell over here.
I don't know how you're going to do it, because it's an S.
It will be not easy, but it needs to be
It needs to be,
done.
yeah, true, but can you do it? Yeah. It's an S shape, people, and I don't see how it can be done unless you have much smaller plate sizes. Oh, they look, as soon as I turn the camera on, they all clear away. They all clear away, people. We're talking about the welding. They can't actually get it inside because you need an inside and outside weld, right? Ah, okay. I thought they were trying to shape the shell plate then, but you're just trying to fix the shell plate after it's bent. Yeah. I would have thought that's it. Well, can't you put slot welds?
Yeah, the bending is not an issue. But the issue is that once you're done bending it and then you have to weld it, that's the challenge.
Right.
So you have to find a way.
Slot weld.
Yes. Slot weld on the other side here. Side, still we cannot weld this area here, so we need something.
This particular area here,
backing bar.
you need to do that one.
Right.
Slot weld.
I'm not quite understanding.
So we will cut this one.
What? 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 Just cut it off here, make it easier.
Like that.
Yeah.
So we can put something. Just the backing bar.
Yeah.
So we can weld here.
Oh, so you weld it here and only there on the outside.
You have the slot here, slot.
Yeah.
So that when you put the plate, you're welding here,
yeah,
and then you're welding on the slot here.
Okay. All right, so it's a slot weld job. All right, excellent. That's all I need to know until I see it, and then I go, is that what you mean?
No need to cut the plate.
No need to cut the keelson, right?
Yeah. Okay, good. No cutting the keel. Good stuff, well done. Because it's so narrow here with the shell plate joining to the keel, they can't actually get on the inside with the 6mm width nozzle and at the right angle to weld on the inside edge of the shell plate meeting the keel. So they were explaining to me there's two options. They can actually have the shell plate come to here and have a gap, and then they can TIG it and manually create the weld on the inside and then MIG it on the outside and fill it in eventually. There's that option. Or they simply just MIG it, put in a backing plate that goes along the keel that comes out to the shell plate, and these stringers will have a T intersection put on top, so just another flat bar, so they'll be made into T's, and then slots will be cut into the shell plate where they can get access to this backing plate that sits out, and then they weld through the slots, and that way you've got that weld, the MIG it there, plus the welds to the backing plate up here, and that should be sufficient for the shell plate to be attached to the keel. There you go, people. Only took 4 explanations from the guy. There you go. It's like a puzzle. It seems to me though the bending was less problematic for Adonis when actually working out the procedure of welding this very narrow gap. He was telling me that the nozzle is 16 millimeters, so there's no way they can get in, and you need a certain angle too. So anyway, it's good that they're all working it out. Good morning, people. Another day, well, I was going to say another dollar spent. It's more like another $1,000 spent. We've got Adonis here, the head guy, the guy with the most experience, eyeing up the hole. We're looking at bending the sheet, and then he's looking at the best way of doing it. So I'm not going to go over and ask him and disturb him. We've had one practice run over here, and what we found out is the wheel on the English wheel bender was, I was going to say too mountainous, too convex, and so that's was taken to the machine shop and leveled a bit and rounded. Also, if you notice, the corresponding concave wheel is nice and shiny and silver. Well, that's just come back from the machine shop too, and that's the other one to get a more rigorous bend. What they found was when they were bending it, they were getting some slight undulations. It's really hard to see. You really have to run your hand along. I mean, these guys do excellent work. I mean, in my mind, that would have been okay. And you'd simply fair it, you know, bog it up. I mean, literally, I can barely feel it, but you can feel it. I don't think you can even see it. So, with the machining of the wheel and the counter wheel on the bottom, they're going to get rid of that. So there you go. I'm so glad we've got 25 years experience in the head guy, and also 20 years in the project manager, and 18 years with the construction manager. It all adds up, people.
This is the finish of the bend that we are looking for.
Oh, okay, now let's have a feel. That's the feeling is the... Oh, yes, baby. Yes. Look how beautiful that is. There's the test runs. And then we start on it, I guess, tomorrow, do we?
Yes.
Okay, excellent, excellent. And here are all the sheets. It's like a jigsaw puzzle on another level.
And a special thanks to the patrons.
Actually, we need patrons, and we need them now, good people. Currently, I am releasing 2 additional videos every week just for the patrons and PayPalers. So if it's the build videos that you like, then join up and help us get this catamaran complete, and then smash the Elcano World Challenge.